Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI MediaPad T5, and today I will show you how to access the download mode on this device. So before we start, you will need a power cable that is plugged into your computer, like this one. And once you have that ready, you can begin to power off the device, hold the power key, and then select the power off and wait for it to shut off. Now once the device shuts off, we will hold the volume up and down, so let's begin to hold that. And while holding these two keys, you're gonna plug it in with the cable. Let me just check. So it's gonna go this way. So now I'm gonna struggle a little bit because the tablet is not very handy. Okay, so I'm holding volume up and down and I plugged it in. And now that you have seen the logo, you can let go of the keys. And as you can see, it's now installing updates, so it's gonna be stuck for like 5% for basically the entire time, so don't worry, nothing is wrong. And once it's finished, it's just gonna simply reboot itself. And as you can see, now the device is powering back on. And now the process is completely finished and you can use the device back again. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.